The twin-turbo, rear-wheel drive Stinger GT is a drift-happy sedan that requires a deft touch to control with precision. And now, those who opt for a four-wheel drive model can experience the tail-wagging trickery for themselves. Enter the new 2020 Stinger GTS, a limited production, special edition model replete with a newly developed dynamic all-wheel drive system with drift mode. Limited to just 800 units and also available in rear-wheel drive. All versions of the GTS wear an exclusive bright orange paint called Federation and a number of carbon fiber trim pieces. But it's the new D all-wheel drive system that grabs the headline. With the car's combination of a genuine mechanical limited slip differential and a special drive mode that sends up to 100% of the power to the rear wheels, Stinger GTS drivers can put that 365 horsepower and 376 pound-feet of torque towards drifting shenanigans. New control logic can detect a driver countersteering and manipulate the 8-speed auto shift pattern and stability control to allow for rear-wheel playfulness similar in nature to its two-wheel drive counterpart. Inside, a suede-like Alcantara steering wheel, center console, and headliner add more premium materials. Also included in the GTS package is a sunroof, Harman Kardon premium audio, and wireless device charging. Production of the 2020 Stinger GTS begins this spring with a starting price of around $44,000 for rear-wheel drive and $46,500 for D all-wheel drive. TestDriveNow.com. I'm Steve Hammis.